Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can access Google Keep Notes without internet. So if you want to use Google Keep offline or if you want to access your Google Notes offline by enabling the offline mode, you can follow the steps that I'm going to show you. So the offline mode on Google Keep will allow you to view, edit, and create notes without an internet connections. And this is how you can set it up. So to enable the Google mode in the offline mode in Google Keep, you can open the Google Keep app on your device. Okay, so to enabling the offline access, actually Google Keep automatically stores recent notes for offline use. However, you can make sure that the notes are available offline by opening each note you want to access offline while connected to the internet. So after disconnecting from the internet, you can open the Google Keep app and confirm that the notes are available offline by browsing through them. But if you are using iOS, so the one that I stated before is on Android, but if you are using iOS, you actually iOS devices automatically cache the notes that you view frequently for offline use. So make sure you open the notes you want while you have internet connection, so they'll be available offline. So after going offline, you can check if you can view your notes by browsing through the Google Keep app. Unfortunately, Google Keep doesn't offer an official offline mode on desktop or web versions in the same way as it does for mobile apps, but you can also still can access Google Keep on Chrome using Google Drive's offline feature. And if you want to check your offline notes on mobile, so once you are offline, you can just open the Google Keep app. Notes that you've opened previously should be available. So additional tips for you. Once you are back online, Google Keep will automatically sync any changes made offline. So to ensure your most important notes are available offline, you need to regularly open and review them while connected to the internet. So I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please hit on the thumbs up icon, subscribe, and don't forget to click on the thanks button below. If you still have question, you can leave a comment down below and we'll love to help. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye.